The 2016 GX460. This 7-passenger utility vehicle is more powerful, capable, and versatile than ever before. Visionary in every sense of the word, the GX460 boasts one of the tightest turning circles in its class, a suspension system that helps enhance your capability, and the best-in-class V8 fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, backup camera, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, navigation package, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, climate group 3, includes air conditioning with 3-zone temperature controls. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.